Hello, welcome to your first check-in. So check-in number 1 for you, Sam. So I'm just going to run through all your answers, just making sure that you're happy with the programme and how it's going. So you've not uploaded your progress pics, so I don't know why. So to make it easier for next week, I've already created your folder for that. So go into the progress pictures folder, and I've already created next Thursday's file. So all you'll need to do is just click on that and then upload images there. So please do a front, back and side for next Thursday, just so we can see visuals coming along that way. So don't worry about this week, it's the first week, so definitely do it next week, and I've already created the folder for you. So progress pictures is a no. Your latest weight is 87.3, so it's good that we've got a baseline now for your current weight. So now we can look to go either, hopefully we want to sort of stay the same and just visually progress. Thank God that stopped. That's the treadmills upstairs, by the way. So yeah, we've got a baseline for the weight, and now we can look at staying at similar weight but visually improving and staying lean, because of the calories you're on at the moment, it's sort of maintenance level, but you'll be burning more in the gym and steps, outside of the gym. You'll be moving a lot, so you'll be burning energy but you're hitting maintenance with the calories, so it should level you out. And we're just going to go for visuals. Sleep's been really good. Step target is a no because you don't have one, so we'll leave that as it's not applicable to you. Sleep's been really good, 6 to 8 hours, which is more than I thought you'd get, so that's really good. Energy's at a 7, so it's pretty good. We could look to improve that, so maybe that's through sleep or just solid nutrition, being a bit more structured with the meals and sleep timings and stuff, and training at probably more normal hours than 1 a.m. So that could be the reason for the 7 out of 10, but that's still pretty high, so I'm happy with that. Biggest win is a 120 deadlift. That's amazing for the full set as well, so you got the full reps out. That's great. Obviously you're still maintaining the strength, which is what we want, so that's perfect. You've enjoyed training this month, so 10 out of 10, perfect. No changes need to be made, and you're not getting bored. They're easy to adapt and challenging for the whole body. That's what we're going for, full body every time, just that we're making the most of our time in the gym. You've got no DOMs at all, so that's really good, no aching, and you've completed all your gym sessions, so perfect. And you're happy with the training overall, so that's really good training wise. Nutrition is a 10 out of 10, perfect. Obviously you've got your new plan now, so you should be nice and happy with that. Yeah, all good that way, and you've not struggled in any way. So you're enjoying your diet, you've got a variety of foods, you're happy, and I think it's the correct amount of nutrition, which it is. So, like you said, sometimes it's difficult to time your meals due to work. So we could be looking at making sure you're just getting, if you're starting on late, at least 2 meals beforehand, maybe even 3. And then that should set you up for working and making you less likely to probably snack or eat on shift. And then obviously pre and post workout, you want to be making sure you have enough time to let the food digest. If it's a bigger meal like your oats, make sure you've got a good hour for them to digest down, and make sure you're drinking sort of a good amount of water with every sort of carb meal as well, because carbohydrates need double the amount of water compared to the grams to actually digest and break down in the digestive system. So just make sure that you're keeping the water intake up with the carb meals, and look at sort of timing them a little bit more evenly throughout the day rather than all at once towards the end or at the start of the day. But you've stuck to it 100%, so that's perfect. Consistency is where you're going to see results, so keep doing that. You're overall happy with the progress, that's perfect. Body composition's improving, definitely. Confidence as well, which is what you want. You want to be self-confident in your looks. So that's perfect, all I can ask for. So, plan for next week, keep going on obviously the new meal plan. Set maintenance calories now, so keep training hard, try and get out as many reps as you can, and really push for taking every step to failure, consistently sticking with either the same weight, or if you feel a bit stronger, try and progress it. But either way, just keep pushing every training session you can, and just stay on track with nutrition. Another really good week, and we'll check in again next week on Friday. So obviously I'll see you probably on Tuesday for a session. So we'll see where you're at then. But yeah, really good start to the week. Keep it up.